Narendra Modi assumed office at the centre a year ago. Roads were marked out as a special thrust area by his government. In the next few months, Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari announced that the pace of construction of highways across the country would be much higher than what it was during the Congress government. In Bihar, though, the state government alleges this is not happening and that not only are new projects progressing at a snail's pace, even the repair of old highways is stuck because the centre refuses to release funds. Alok Pandey does a reality check.
ए हो नीतिश भैया एगो रोडवो तय बनवाए दवो ए हो नीतिश भैया एगो रोडवो तय बनवाए दवो.
A musical twist to the demand for better roads in Bihar, particularly the 4,000 kilometers of national highways that pass through the state. From a nationwide rate of 12 kilometers of national highway construction daily in 2014, the Modi government wants to build 30 kilometers of highways per day by 2017. On the ground though in Bihar, these numbers don't seem to add up. We are on National Highway 30, one of the many national highways in Bihar that need urgent repairs. Now this one is due for widening, but on the ground there has hardly been any physical progress. According to the National Highways Authority of India, in 2014, not even 1 kilometer of new roads per day were added to the highway network in Bihar. The condition was the same in 2013 when the UPA was in power. The Bihar government says central funds in 2014 for maintaining national highways in the state, a little over 150 crores, was not enough.
तो एनएच की हालत खराब है, कौन जिम्मेवार है? या तो उसकी स्थिति सुधारो और नहीं तो दिल्ली से वो चिट्ठी लिखो कि राज्य सरकार ठीक कर दे, हम पैसा दे देंगे, क्योंकि अपना मर्जी से हम पैसा लगाएंगे तो सीएजी का ऐतराज होगा.
The two-laning of the Motihari-Raxaul border national highway sanctioned in 2011 has missed one deadline with just 30% work done. No work happened in the last year as the contractor ran out of money. Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari refused comment, but sources close to the minister said in Bihar there have been long delays in matters like land acquisition for highway construction, which is the responsibility of the state, and that land acquisition for highways in Bihar went down threefold between 2011 and 2014. But allegations and counter-allegations apart, commuters hope these roads will see achhe din very soon. In Patna with camera person Habib Ali, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.